How to make money with gold. The aim of any investment is twofold: to protect and diversify your savings, and to make money. Gold is one of the best assets to own to achieve the first, and if you'd. Gold is incredibly valuable and always has been. With confidence in financial institutions shaken since the crash in 2008, gold offers an alternative to stocks and shares, or government bonds. The global pandemic in 2020 and 2021 has resulted in huge amounts of money printing, and an increase in national debt. Gold has once again been a popular choice of investment to protect money from the inflation that looks likely in the years ahead. Although long-term protection of your wealth is often the main goal of investors, it is very possible to make money from gold, much the same as if you were trading stocks and shares. Making money from gold is a different proposition, however, and more about patience than fast, reactive trading. Below are some of the top things to consider if you're also looking to make money from gold. When should I invest in gold? Make money with gold when the price goes up. Buying gold at the right time will make a big difference to how much money you make when you sell. There are many things to consider if asking yourself when the right time to buy gold might be, but volatility is a key thing to watch out for. Gold reached an all-time high in 2020 when the global pandemic was at its worst. As optimism over a potential end to COVID in 2021 has grown, gold has seen its price pull back from last year's high, but remains high. Inflation is forecast to rise far above normal targets, and gold has enjoyed a recovery in these last months of the year.